Let's continue. Hello, boys and girls. Can you hear me? Please let me know in the chat box if you can hear me and see me. Please let me know. Hi guys. Yes. I just want to confirm. All right. So everyone can hear me. Everyone can see me. That's beautiful. I'm coming live after a long time, and I'm so happy. Ecstatic is the word I'm looking for. What's up, boys and girls? This is your captain Harsh Maheshwari. I'm back with a bang. I hope you guys are doing awesome. Today I have some amazing questions on isomerism. Are you guys ready? And of course, I will teach the concept. Don't worry. I'll teach the concept. Are you guys ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Do let me know in the chat box. I want to see the chat box. It's been a long time. Trust me. Please do let me know. Please do let me know. Yes, my sailors, this is your favorite Harsh Maheshwari. I'm your captain. This is our daily schedule. Take a screenshot of it so you will be notified when the teacher is coming live and you can attend our lectures. Alright, moving on. Boys and girls, if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you will be notified when the live lecture is going on so you can attend it. Alright, yes, this is very important. Beta, COVID-19 is out there, but you are on a mission. You want to crack JEE 2020, 21 and as well as 2020. Your goal is 21, and if you are in 11th standard, your goal is JEE 2022. Don't worry, we are here. We are giving you a pro subscription model, a subscription program in which you will get live classes, you will get doubt clearance classes, and in live classes you can ask unlimited doubts, of course, because we will be there. Similarly, beta, you will be getting assignments from our sites, you will be getting notes, you will be getting study material, you will be getting quizzes, leaderboards, everything is there, right? No need to go somewhere else for your doubts. We are here. We will prep you up for your JEE properly. Everything we would give. And yes, most important thing is the test, right? You are going to give many tests, and yes, there would be proper analysis. With each test, you will be given a proper analysis, where you stand, what do you need to do, so get to improve yourself. And I think during these times, best part is live classes and live discussion. This is the best part, bacho. This is the best part we are offering here. Okay? So I'm not shoving this course in your face. I'm saying if you're interested, you feel like you want to grow, you want to learn everything, make sure you attend this, because we are giving you unlimited classes, unlimited doubt sessions, unlimited live classes. Similarly, if you want your content to be delivered in Hindi and the content written there must be in English, you have the option. If you want everything in English, you have that option as well. So that language option, extra point, we are also adding here. This is the extra flair. And yes, doubt discussion is very, very important. We are here for that. And boys and girls, this is the the Wave platform, the much hyped Ray platform. This is it. Three-dimensional visualization can be done within seconds. See how crisp this structure is. This graph of sine is so easily we have explained. This visualization is there on our platform. All right. ठीक है. Similarly, beta, if you are interested in this, 1 month subscription program is of 7,000 rupees. But if you will use my coupon code, that is HMPRO, you will get a heavy discount. So yaad rakhna, you are getting live classes, doubt clearance, you are also getting tests, assignments, notes, JEE previous year questions, study material, everything we are providing. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested and you are targeting JEE 2022 as well as JEE 2021, I will talk about JEE 2021 because I take 12th here. So yes, go for it, beta, go for it. HMPRO is the code you need to apply. Link is in the description box. Click the link, buy the course. Alright, ठीक है. अब start करते हैं बेटा. हमने isomerism के बारे में बात करनी है बेटा. We have to talk about isomerism part 2. You remember we have discussed that optical isomerism is not shown by GI is not shown by tetrahedral complex. Then tetrahedral complex were giving OI, optical isomerism. Now we are moving on and moving forward. We are going to square planar complexes. Boys and girls, stay, get ready. Get your notebooks. We are going to make some amazing structures. We are going to do something new here. All right. I want everyone to be, ready and visualize three-dimensional structures, and I'll help you that you also are able to visualize things three-dimensionally. चलो करते हैं, start करते हैं. This is a square planar complex. You guys already know the hybridization of a square planar complex is DsP2. But I am very happy or also very sad to tell you that OI is not shown by square planar complex. Phew, very good. Less thing to remember, one less thing to remember. Square planar complexes do not go for OI, optical isomerism. Let me show you why. Dekho. Let us say I have taken an example where 4 different groups I have taken. 4 groups are different in a square planar complex. Let's say M, A, B, C, D. Okay? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Alright. If I have to check for optical isomerism, draw a mirror image. Beta, draw a mirror image. Right? What you will get C, D, A, B. Beta, my question to you, is this superimposable? क्या ये सुपरइम्पोजेबल है? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. इज दिस सुपरइम्पोजेबल? कैन आई सुपरइम्पोज स्ट्रक्चर 1 ऑन स्ट्रक्चर 2? कैन आई डू दैट? डू लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. क्या मैं इसको सुपरइम्पोज कर सकता हूं? यस और नो. आई जस्ट वांट दी रिप्लाई इन द चैट बॉक्स. दैट विल बी वेरी मच appreciated. Can I do that? No, we can't do it, beta. No, your answers are wrong. Check this out. देखो, if I rotate the structure 1 by an angle of 180 degree, can't I superimpose? If I just rotate the structure 1 by 180 degree, can't I superimpose? But superimposability doesn't mean that you can't just, it doesn't mean that you will just put it up and put it down on the structure 2. No. At any angle you rotate, it must not fit on structure 2. It must not superimpose on structure 2. Then you say these are non-superimposable, because since square planar complexes are superimposable, they will not show OI. OI is absent. Optical isomerism is absent. Is this point clear? सबको समझ आया? So the point is that square planar complexes do not give optical isomerism because they are, they are going to show you can superimpose. They are superimposable mirror images of each other. They can form superimposable mirror images of each other. I hope the point is clear. But one small beautiful exception, sometimes you get square planar complexes like these, in which you might see a particular group is going out of plane or coming towards you or going away from you, right? Let's say like that. One group is coming towards you and then another group is going away from you. You can't superimpose them. No matter what you do, you can't superimpose them. Square planar complexes are, yes, superimposable, but when you go for such kind of groups, as you notice here, this is this. If I try to make the superimposable structure, it is impossible, because one of the group will come towards you, one of the group will go away from you. So there are some examples in which superimposability can be tested. Okay? These are the cases. Whenever you see groups like this in a square planar complex, do understand that they will not superimpose, and they are going to show optical isomerism. OI is active here. They are optically active. Is this point clear, beta? This is a special case, very rare and very special case. I hope you understood this. This is a very special and rare case. Okay? Is this point clear, beta? आगे बढ़ जाऊं. Shall I move on? So square planar complexes do not give optical isomerism. Whereas we have also learned, do you remember? We have also learned that GI is not shown by tetrahedral complexes. I hope you are understanding the symmetry. Tetrahedral complexes do not go for GI. Similarly, square planar complexes do not go for OI. Yes, is this point clear, beta? आगे बढ़ता हूं. Very nice, very nice. Let's move on. Now I am going for the octahedral complex. Beta, octahedral complexes are very, very important. You remember when I was teaching you GI? I said that I will discuss optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism for octahedral complexes together. So I will discuss everything together. I hope you remember. If you are following my classes, you remember it. Okay? So start kare beta, very, very important. I will also discuss today a JEE advanced problem. Shall I begin? So you have to stay till the very end. आपको बहुत लास्ट तक बैठना पड़ेगा. चलें, start करें. Shall we begin? Do I have the permission, sailors? क्या आगे बढ़ जाओ? ऑलराइट, डन, ठीक है। ये स्पैम ना करो यार, मतलब ना चैट बॉक्स स्पैम ना करो, मजा नहीं आता है फिर। लाइव बहुत दिनों बाद आया हूं तो यार मजे से करते हैं। चलो, दिस इज द स्पिरिट, दिस इज द स्पिरिट। ऑलराइट, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो अब मैं केस ले रहा हूं, आई एम टेकिंग दैट केस व्हेन ऑल द लिगेंड्स आर मोनोडेंटेड। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मोनोडेंटेड? दे आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल बॉन्ड, they are going to form a sigma bond with the metal atom or metal ion, whatever you want to say. So beta, if I go for GI, let's take GI first. What are the possible combinations? Possible AA, AA, AA. Beta, this kind of structure would come up. Check this out. What would be there? A, 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 right? If I play with this structure, if I try to interchange the position of A, would it make any difference? क्या यहाँ पे कुछ difference पड़ेगा? Would it make any difference? So there is no GI, no GI, no GI. So we have checked for geometrical isomerism. When I checked for geometrical isomerism, when I was playing with the groups, when I was trying to interchange, take any two groups, interchange their position, there was no difference, so I will say no GI. What about OI? What about OI? Beta, OI के लिए what you need to check here, whether it, in previous case what we saw, क्या are we getting non-superimposable mirror images? You will say it is showing OI. But in this case, also check for one more factor, that is called as plane of symmetry. That is called as plane of symmetry. Can you take the square planar part just like this? This is your square planar. If I cut it in just like this, if I do a slice cut, would I be able to get AA? Would I get two things which are similar? Yes or no? Let me know. Plane of symmetry. Is there plane of symmetry? Just check out for plane of symmetry. If I am able to do a slice cut, would I get two equal halves? Yes. So what you will say, plane of symmetry is present, it is optically inactive. It is optically inactive. How cool is that? क्या ये बात समझ आई? Is this point clear? I have just showed you, if you do a slice cut and if you are able to produce two equal halves, right, then it means plane of symmetry is present, it is optically inactive. Let me give you a trick now. Whenever you see a pair of ligand, I have taken, for example, this could be a ligand just like this, Fe CN6, let's take here 4 minus, right? 4 minus आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, हाँ जी, 4 plus 4 minus. This is 4 minus. Let me just correct my mistake. Let's take 4 minus here, right? So beta, this kind of complex will go for Ma6 category, where all the ligands are same, I hope the point is clear. सबको समझ आ गया? Yes. Optically inactive. This is the best example for this kind of category. OI is active. Now, whenever there is a beautiful trick for checking optical isomerism, for checking OI. What is that trick? If your pair of GIs, the pairs you are making for geometrical isomerism, if it contains a pair of same ligand, or if it contains a pair where two ligands are repeated, I got two pairs where the two ligands are repeated, it will always be optically inactive. This is a beautiful trick which will save your time a lot. Without even drawing the structures, you will be able to find the answer. क्या मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? क्या ट्रिक है बेटा? What is that trick? If any pair has the same ligands, or if you have two pairs having same sets of ligand, it will be optically inactive. Yes, let's test this theory. Let's test this theory. Take a screenshot. It is a very very important trick. Let's use that. मैं पूरे सेशन में यही इस्तेमाल करूंगा. Let's talk about this category. First of all, let's check for GI. I am checking for GI. ठीक है? What are the possible combination? MAA, AA, AB? Yes or no? Can you make something else? If I play with the structure, let me write the structure. AA, AA, AB. If I play with the structure, would I get something else? If let's say if I interchange these two positions, देखो right now A के सामने A है, right now A के सामने A है, in front of A there is A, in front of this A there is B, right? If I interchange them, if I play with the position of these two groups, would it make any difference? No, it won't make any difference. Yes? Would it make any difference? Yes or no? Would it make any difference? Let me know in the chat box. So what I will say? No GI. Only one structure is there. Would there be any optical isomerism, beta? Would there be OI? Would there be OI? Would there be OI? Again do a slice cut. Again do a slice cut. If you are getting two equal halves, then it again, plane of symmetry is present, means plane of symmetry is present, it will be optically inactive. Check this out. If I am able to cut this in, but from giving a slice cut, I'll get two equal halves. I'll get two equal halves. Yes or no? Optically inactive. And check out my trick. I gave you a trick. Check this out. If you see a pair having two ligands, same ligands, it will be optically inactive. By chance you are not able to figure out your OI by making the structure, then just by using the trick which I have given you, no need to draw the structure here. यहाँ पे आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है structure बनाने की बेटा. How awesome is that? From my trick also you are getting the same answer. Isn't it cool? Isn't it awesome? You just learned isomerism with a beautiful trick. It will save up a lot of time. Without even drawing the structures, you can get the answers for OI. Yes or no? Please do let me know in the chat box if you like the trick. If you like the trick, do let me know. Then we are going for next category. Next category, this came in JEE. This question, this type question where you are getting four same ligands, two different ligands. This kind of category came, okay, in JEE. Let's see what will be the possible pair. AA, AA, AB, one pair. Second pair would be AB, AB, AB. Yes, correct. Can I make any other possibility? No. Let me draw the structure. Check this out. Hanji. So first one AA, AA, AB. Okay. Can I write like this? Check this out. This compound is called as cis. This structure number 1, which I have drawn here. This is structure number 1. This, you will say, oh, it's difficult to write here. This is structure number 1. Just keep in mind, this is structure number 1. Correct? This pair is called as cis. When you have two same groups, same groups on the same side, or at one side, you call it as cis. When you have two groups, same groups on the difference or on the same side, that is cis. Nothing but two groups which are similar or are on the same side. This is your cis arrangement here. Let's talk about another structure. Let's call this structure as structure 2. कैसे बनेगा देखो जरा. So M, what I will write? A, B, A, B. Or I will write like this. A, मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूँ. A, A, B, है ना? Correct. AB. Acha, let's do this. I did a mistake. This is your, this is your cis arrangement, beta. This is structure number 2 is your cis arrangement. Check this out. I did a mistake. Check this out. Let me just redeem myself. Let me just write the correct structure with you guys. Check this out. This is your structure because the two groups are on the same side. This structure number 1. Check this out. Structure number 1. I'm making it again for you guys. It will be AB. This will become AA, BB, AA. When the two similar groups are facing, they are present opposite to each other. This is called as trans arrangement. First one is trans. So are you getting two different structures? So I'll call it as there is geometrical isomerism. But by looking at the pair, can you tell me, would there be OI? By looking at the structure, can you tell me, would there be OI? Dekho, even you can look at the trick part. here the groups are repeated, here groups are repeated. Or if you notice, a pair is containing two similar ligands. A pair is containing two similar ligands. So what I will say? Optically inactive. Correct? I hope it is clear. This was a JEE problem which you have just solved. This was a JEE problem which you have just solved. ठीक है, मैंने क्या करा? All I had done is just draw the structure, draw the possible permutation and combination I am using, nothing else. What is that combination? AA, AA, BB. One combination became AB, AB. Then what is remaining? BB, right? AA, sorry. Apart from this, I can't do anything. I can't do any other structure. So what I will say? 2GI. 2GI. Without even drawing the structure, you can do that. Hanji. Next question we will do, beta. This is a beautiful question. देखो जरा. MA3B2C2. ठीक है? MA3B2C2. What are the combination? I'll write here. Check this out. AA, AB, AA हो गया, AB हो गया, AC हो गया. What I will do? I'll fix one. I'm fixing AA as the center. Again, AA, next combination could be what? AA, AB, and this will become BC. I'm so sorry. Another combination could be AA, AC, then it will become BC. Correct? Two combination. One more combination can be written AB, AC, and then last but not least, आपका आ गया क्या? AB. So three combinations I have written here. Again, I'm using permutation, combination, nothing else. I have got three same ligands, two again same category of ligands, and one is completely different. So what? Yes, this is a live session. Yeah. Are you understanding what I am doing here? सबको समझ आ रहा है? I'm just using permutation, combination, nothing else. Once again, I'll explain. Check this out. I got a problem here. Everyone pay attention. Everyone will pay full attention. I'll write the permutation combination part again. Check this out. For this complex, what I will do? I will write what are the possible combinations. A, then I can also have AB, then it will become BC. Fixing A, I am fixing AA side. ठीक है, A को focus दे रहा हूँ. So A, it will become then AC. I can also write AC. Then it will become AB. How awesome is that, right? Then it will become BC. Sorry, BC. Two combination. Last but not least, I can also write AB, AB, and last but not least, AB, AB, and AC. Right? Three combinations are coming. Anything else you can do from here? Anything else you can do from here? Nothing we can do, right? And if you notice, everywhere you are getting a pair where the ligand, or here the ligands are same, or you are getting two pairs having the same set. So all are optically inactive. How quickly you are also able to tell that there would be no optical isomerism. Is this point clear? Do let me know in the chat box. AB, AB, AC. ठीक है, सारे कर दिए, तीनों कॉम्बिनेशन आपको सामने है. Did I do a mistake? AB, AB, AC, right? क्या मैंने कोई मिस्टेक करी? हाँ जी, बोलो, डाउट क्या? लिखो बेटा. Trick works everywhere. I'll show you, beta. I'll show you. Just don't worry. I'll show you the way. एक कॉम्बिनेशन बना A, AB, BC. ठीक है, A, AB, BC. Then again I fixed A. Then it became AC, BC. All right. Then AB, AB. अच्छा, B over हो गया यहाँ से. Last one was AC. So here let me check. AB, AB, AC. We got this one. A, AB, BC, we got this one. AA, BB, AC. अच्छा, ये वाला हो गया यार, मतलब इधर वो ज्यादा हो गया. A, BB, AC. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ठीक है, ये BB हो गया. ठीक है, डन. This one. ये AC बना दिया, A B B, करेक्ट है ना। एक बना देता हूं, यहां लिख देता हूं A B B A C, करेक्ट। 3 है हमारे पास, बिल्कुल सही, आपको समझ आ गया। आई गॉट माई मिस्टेक, आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड। ठीक है, दीज आर द 3 करेक्ट सेट्स। ठीक है, एक BB आएगा, डन, अंडरस्टूड। नेक्स्ट वन चेक कर लो, एक और कैटेगरी, MA3B3, MA3B3, वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन, इंपॉर्टेंट, लेट मी डिस्कस। ठीक है, कॉम्बिनेशन बनाते हैं, क्या कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा? A, then I can go for BB, then it will become AB, right? A BB AB. Similarly, another combination could be AB AB AB, है ना? This one was the simplest one. Now check this out, the structures I'm going to show you here. We'll talk about geometrical isomerism. This is geometrical isomerism. There are 2 GI. What about OI? What about OI? Are they optically active? Let me know in the chat box. हाँ बताता हूं बेटा, वो ओम, आई विल टॉक अबाउट दैट। आर दे ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव? Are they optically active, these two compounds which I have written here? Just looking at it, can you tell me? Who's saying yes, beta? कैसे yes? कैसे, जरा बताओ। A, you are getting a pair where 2 ligands are same. You are getting two pairs in which same set of ligands are there. Yes, so it is optically inactive. There is no OI. Optically inactive, no OI. Is this point clear? This trick works so wonderfully, na? If you are weak at plane of symmetry, you're not able to understand the PO, plane of symmetry principle, you can always apply it. This is a beautiful trick which will save you a lot of time. A lot of time. I mean that. And next question I'll ask you. You guys would tell me. अच्छा, अब देखो इसका स्ट्रक्चर बना दो, थोड़ा ध्यान देना। फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर आई एम मेकिंग, फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर M. Let me draw them neatly because they are important. These structures are also there in your NCERT. So let's discuss them. Let's write like this. ठीक है यार, यहाँ पे ना हमेशा ये स्पेस चला जाता है। This is B group. This is B group. Okay. All right. ऐसे बनाता हूँ इसको। Pay full attention, boys and girls. This is very very important. AAB. हाँ जी, ये बन गया। Whenever you have 3 groups, this is B. Whenever you have 3 groups in the same plane, it is called as, this is structure number 1, which I have drawn here. This is called as meridional. ठीक है, meridional. In short, we call it as MER. It is called as meridional. In short, we call it as MER. Similarly, if you go for compound number 2 or structure number 2, this structure also I am drawing. Here it is A. Here it is A. Here it is A. B. 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 When you have 2 groups in the same plane and 1 group perpendicular to it, it is called as facial. This arrangement is called as facial. In short, we call it as FAC. We call it as FAC. This is structure number 2. I hope the point is clear. In category of MA3B3, in the category of MA3B3, you will get 2 GI, no optical isomerism, and you will also get meridional and facial structure. They are very important, given in your NCERT. Again, what is meridional? When you have 3 groups in the same plane. When you have 2 groups in the same plane and 1 perpendicular to it, it is called as facial. Make sure you know this. This is very very important. सबको समझ आ गया? सबको क्लियर हुआ बेटा? Let me know in the chat box कि सर ये समझ आ गया है. I am reading your chat box. ठीक है? Better, how to know? You have to learn. I have taken a category MA4B2. I have taken a category for cis and trans. We have to learn. This is MA3B3 category. It is going to give you facial and meridional. We have to learn that. Okay? All right. Next question, boys and girls, is for you. Please tell me how many GIs you will get, how many optical isomerism you will get. Do let me know. Do let me know. Very, very important. Very, very good question. Tell me how many GI first of all. How many GI for this question? Waiting for your response. Waiting for your response. जल्दी बताओ बेटा क्या आंसर आ रहा है? How many GI do you say? How many GI do you say? A question for you. MA3BCD. Make permutation combination. I'll help you. AA. I'm fixing AA. It will become AB. It can also become, then it will become CD. Another combination can be AA, AC, BD. Go ahead. How many GIs are possible? There are more than two. There are more than two. Now you have to pay attention. It is not a simple case. Pay full attention. Draw all the permutation combination. You are aware of it. Use PNI beta. PNC. मैंने I क्यों बोला? PNC. 4GI कोई बोल रहा है. Let's check. Then what do you another combination? A. Then I can also write AD beta. AD अगर लिख दिया तो क्या बन जाएगा? Then it will become BC. Correct? 3 तो यही हो गए. Can you make more? That's the more important part. Can you make more? Waiting for your answer. Can you make more? Come on, this is a good one. Last but not least, what will be this? AB, AC, then I can write AD. Hi, Anna. So there are 4 beta. There are 4. Yes or no? How many GI? 4. How many GI? 4. Now pay full attention. Talk about first one. Would it be optically active? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. Would it be optically active? Who said 4 is correct? First one, would it be optically active? No, optically inactive. Why? Because it has a pair which has same ligands. What about second beta? What about second? Again, it is optically inactive. No OI. What about third one? Again, optically inactive. But you check out, last but not least, the fourth structure. This one is special. Do you see any group which is repeated? Do you see a pair, a 2 pair of sets where you have the same ligands? No, I do not see anything like that. This one is optically active. अच्छा बच्चों, हाँ मेरी बात सुनना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है ये, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. If this compound is optically active, then it means all optically active compound will give 2 structure, dextrorotatory and levorotatory. It will, you guys know that they can polarize the light towards the right side as well as left side. They can do rotation in both the side, dextro as well as levo, right? अगर optically active है, तो there is a possibility that there are 2 complexes from this structure. 2 things would come. One compound can rotate the plane polarized light towards the right side. That will be called as dextrorotatory. Another part of it can rotate the light towards the left. It will be levorotatory. Correct? Yes or no? So it means we have how many GI total? If I consider GI, this is very, very important. This question is very, very important. We will say how many isomers are optically active? Beta, only one was optically active. Okay? And if one isomer was optically active, it is going to give you dextro and levo. So 3 were as it is. 3 were not doing anything. From 1, we will get 2, dextro and levo. So total how many stereoisomers? It means you have to count GI as well as OI. You have to count GI as well as OI. So beta total answer क्या होगा? जल्दी से बताओ. Total answer क्या होगा? There are 4 GI, no doubt. There are 4 GIs, 4 geometrical isomers. But if I ask how many stereoisomer, But if I ask how many stereoisomers, what is the answer? Answer is 5. Correct? 3 are as it is, they do not have any optical isomerism in it. And 1 is going to give you optical isomerism. So it is going to give you dextro and levo part. Is this point clear? Do let me know, बेटा. बहुत important question कराया है मैंने. बहुत important question कराया है मैंने. By taking this here, I hope you are understanding here. If I ask you how many GI, you will say, sir, 4 GI, no doubt. But in these structures, you will analyze further. You will analyze further. 3 of them are not giving any optical isomerism. 1 will give you optical isomerism. So 1 gives you 2 structures, dextro as well as levo. So in total, 3 plus 2. It means 5 stereoisomers are there. In stereoisomers, you consider GI as well as OI combined, not individually, combined. ठीक है? This is the best part. So एक question है बेटा, next question. MA2, B2, C2. Tell me how many stereoisomers. Start solving this one. How many stereoisomers in this one? How many stereoisomers in this one? Waiting for your reply. Waiting for everyone to reply. How many stereoisomers? Stereo पूछ रहा हूँ बेटा. How many stereoisomers? I'm still asking, giving you some time. Take your time. Do your answer. Do your structure, permutation, and combination you apply. How many stereo? बेटा stereo पूछ रहा हूँ. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. Come on, play. How many stereoisomers? Confuse कर रहे हो. Confuse हो रहे हो. GI नहीं, स्टीरियो पूछ रहा हूं. 6 बिल्कुल सही. देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट वन ABBCC, ABABCC, राइट. फिक्सिंग कर दिया, फिक्स कर दिया. A को फिक्स कर दो एक बार. कितनों के इतने सारे तो आ ही गए थे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दीस? एटलीस्ट 4 यू अंडरस्टूड. So total, as you notice, if you see total, there are 5 GI. How many GIs are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 GI are there. 5. कितने GI बेटा है? Total 5 है. चेक कर लो. AB, BB, CC. One combination, easiest one. Then AB, AB, CC. Then A, BC, BC. Correct? AC, AC, BB. PNC लगा रहा हूं और कुछ नहीं लगा रहा. I'm not using anything. Last but not least, AB, BC, AC. All of you got this? इतना सबका आया? इतना बेटा सबका आया? I hope everyone got this answer. Everyone got this answer? बढ़िया, ठीक है. अब बेटा जरा चेक करना. These 4 you check. All of them are optically inactive. How did I say in one go? How did I say it in one go? एक ही बारी में बोल दिया मैंने. क्यों बोला? Because you see, either a set is having same 2 ligands which are same. Every set is having a pair in which 2 ligands are same. Correct? Optically inactive. But the last one, this one which I am, highlighting with a star, this one is going to be optically active. There is no such thing. The trick is not active here. The trick which I taught is not applicable here. So it is going to give you dextro as well as levo. So how many stereo? 4 plus 2, because this one is going to give you 2 more structure. So stereo is a combination of everything. ये मैंने stereo का combination कर दिया. 5 नहीं बेटा, स्टीरियो कितने? 6 आ गए. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्टीरियो मींस GI एज वेल एज OI. यस, फिफ्थ वन इज ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. यू गॉट इट. बढ़िया. अच्छा, अब हम आ रहे हैं बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स पे. बेटा व्हाट आर बाइडेंटेट लिगेंड्स? विच विल फॉर्म 2 sigma bonds. One ligand is capable of forming 2 sigma bond. In this, you are having two categories, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical ligand means both the donor atom are same. For example, C2O4 2-, oxygen is the donor atom. Both the donor atoms are oxygen. Glycine, whereas on the other hand, is an unsymmetrical ligand. One of the, I told you, you remember glycine A2? I hope you guys remember. One of the ligand, donor pair, donor atom is nitrogen, and another donor atom is oxygen. So these are called as unsymmetrical ligands. But a very, very important note you will remember, that these bidentate ligands always attack, whether it is symmetrical, whether it is asymmetrical, doesn't matter. They will always attack at an angle of 90 degree. ये मतलब आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. You can't write like this, AB, and you say, sir, this is a bidentate ligand, here angle is 180. This is not acceptable. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is not acceptable. They always attack at an angle of 90. Bidentate ligands get attached at an angle of 90. This is a very important point. Do not make A, B here and say this is a bidentate ligand. That is wrong. They do not attack at 180 degree. ये बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं, ठीक है? So you have to be cautious. You have to be cautious. Everyone is understanding? Boys and girls, am I making sense? Everyone is clear about this concept? बढ़िया. तो सबको समझ आया? बढ़िया. अच्छा, अब इसको समझते हैं. MAA3, बेटा देखो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बनता है. मैंने क्या बताया? दे विल ऑलवेज अटैक एट एन एंगल ऑफ 90. Check this out. This is very intriguing. I'll tell you how to visualize. I'll visualize it for you guys. बेटा मुझे एक बात बताओ. If I interchange these positions, would it make any difference? If I interchange these positions, would it make any difference? Do let me know. So this category I am taking is symmetrical ligand. Symmetrical ligand. I can take ethylene diamine. I can take here oxalate. Your choice, ठीक है? Okay. Now you tell me, if I interchange these positions, there would be no difference. So GI is not possible. Now let's talk about optical isomerism. यहाँ पे सोचना होता है. You have to think. Let's talk about optical isomerism. Beta, let us say this is the plane. And let me try to help you here. Pay full attention. Pay full attention. Beta, imagine this is your square of your octahedral. One ligand is above, one ligand is below. So one bond is formed at this end, at this very end. One bond is forming at an angle of 180. This bond which I have shown here. Check this out. One of it is going here, another A is here. So this is 1A, this bond. Similarly, one end is going down, another end is coming at my side, at this side. This is again 180. Sorry, again they are attached at an angle of 90 degree. This is again attached at an angle of 90 degree. So one is going like this, one is going like this. No matter how you cut this compound, you will not be able to get a, two equal half. Try to cut a fan. You'll not be able to get an equal half. Same side, same visualization is here. Are you guys getting it? एक ऊपर है, एक नीचे है. No matter how do I cut it, like this, any time, any method you apply, you'll not be able to cut it in two equal halves. So plane of symmetry in such compounds is always inactive. There is no plane of symmetry. So it means it will show optical isomerism. It is optically एक्टिव. समझ पाए क्या? विजुलाइज कर पाए? एक ऊपर है, एक नीचे है, जैसे मर्जी से काटो, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम इन बिटवीन. वो कभी आ ही नहीं पाएगा, काट ही नहीं पाओगे. टू ग्रुप्स आर एट दिस साइड. दीज आर द टू ग्रुप्स. ये तो बड़े आराम से कट जाएंगे. दीज टू ग्रुप्स आर व्हाट यू कॉल, दिस इज हेयर लाइंग ऑन द प्लेन. One side is going like this, one side is going like this side. It is impossible to cut. Impossible to cut. ठीक है, इसकी बेटा ट्रिक नहीं है, ये आपको सोचना ही है. आई होप द पॉइंट इज क्लियर. ये सबको सब विजुलाइज कर पा रहे हैं. कैसे मर्जी काट लो नहीं हो पाएगा, है ना. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है बेटा, एक ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है. ये एक ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स में अगर मैं सारे के सारे, इफ आई विल टेक ऑल डिफरेंट लिगेंड्स, total GI comes, check this out, it will be 15. So how many optical isomers, and they will be all, you know, optically active. So total stereo would be 15 into 2. Please do learn this. This question is kind of important also. It has been asked previously. In the case where all different ligands you have taken for an octahedral complex, you are bound to get 30 stereoisomers. ठीक है, 30 हो जाएंगे. आ जाओ, क्लियर हो गया ये बात भी. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस. देखो बेटा, आई विल ड्रॉ इट फॉर यू गाइस. आई विल ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर्स, वी विल विजुलाइज देम. देखो बेटा, I'll try to tell you. देखो, if I play with this position, interchange the positions, what I will get? You have to practice them. Boys and girls, are you able to visualize? क्या दिख पा रहा है सबको? So you are getting 2 GI. Now if you play with it, doesn't matter. देखो यहां पर क्या था? In this compound, A के सामने A, in front of A there was A. In this B के सामने A, right? What I did, I flipped it. I flipped these two groups. What I got? A here, B here. So you got something different. B के सामने B, एंड ए के सामने अब आ गया बी के सामने बी, ए के सामने ए. सो यू गॉट समथिंग एल्स. इफ आई फ्लिप इट अगेन, वुड इट मेक एनी डिफरेंस? इट वोंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस इफ आई फ्लिप इट अगेन. यस. सो हाउ मेनी ऑप्टिकली GI? यू विल गेट 2 GI. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? ये सबको समझ आया बेटा? हाउ मेनी GI आई वुड गेट? 2 GI आई वुड गेट. बेटा, दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर. शैल आई मूव ऑन? आगे बढ़ू. अब मैं स्टीरियो की बात करूं, है ना. देर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी, नो अदर पॉसिबिलिटी. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू द पॉसिबिलिटी राइट है. ठीक है, करेक्ट. आई होप द पॉइंट इज क्लियर. सबको बातें समझ आ रही हैं, सबको क्लियर होते हुए चल रहा है. ऑल राइट, है ना. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो नाउ cut it, try to cut it in any way. Beta, you will not be able to cut it because one angle is going like this, one angle is going like this. It is impossible to cut. It is impossible to cut. So again, both are optically active. How many stereoisomers now? Can you tell me in the chat box? How many stereoisomers beta? कितने stereoisomers आएंगे? Stereoisomers आएंगे? Do let me know. बताओ बेटा. आई एम रीडिंग योर चैट बॉक्स. 4, वेरी गुड, बिल्कुल सही. 4, करेक्ट. 2 into 2 because each compound is capable of giving you 2 different compounds, dextro and levo. 3 नहीं बेटा, 2 यार. देखना, दोनों 2 GI, both GI are optically active. 1 gives you 2, so 2 will give you how many stereos total? 4 ना. All right, let's go for this category. How many GI would be there? How many GI would be possible for this compound? I have shown you 2. Let us draw the structure. देखो, one possibility is this. It's a bidentate ligand, similar ligand. symmetric ligand. Another possibility, this could also be written like this. Check this out. Beta batao, would you be able to cut this compound in two equal halves? Can you slice cut this compound? Yes or no? Yes, I can slice cut. So here, optically inactive. Why? Because plane of symmetry is there. I can slice cut this compound. Yes or no? Next compound, check this out. So you will never mug it up. Always draw them. Practice as much as you can. Check this out. Beta, now if you take this, because now one group is going like this, one group is going like this, no matter how you cut, you will not be able to cut it. So now POS is absent, it is optically inactive. Can you guys tell me how many stereoisomers now? How many stereoisomers? 3? Everyone agrees with it? Do let me know in the chat box. Everyone agrees with it? बहुत सही. Correct? Alright, so you are understanding. We are at the last question for today's session. This is a JEE advanced question. How many GI? Please let me know. सब मुझे बताएंगे कितने GI आएंगे इस compound में. We will draw them one by one. All of them. I'll draw each and every one of them. I'll not leave you empty-handed. Come on, try it though. Please do try. I asked my students were able to answer it once they had followed the entire session. थोड़ा सोचो और थोड़ा सोचो. It's an advanced question. थोड़ा सोचना होगा. How many stereoisomers I am asking? Stereo बेटा. थोड़ा सोचो. इतनी जल्दबाजी में आंसर नहीं. काफी अमेजिंग सवाल है, थोड़ा सोचो. One possibility could be like this. Yes. Flip these two positions. Flip A and B one time. What I will get? AB, AB, C, C, B, A. Two possibilities. Yes. This one is optically inactive because it has plane of symmetry. This one is optically, again, this one is also optically inactive. Optically, मैं नीचे लिखता हूं, optically inactive. क्यों? Plane of symmetry. Yes? Yes? Okay. Can you make any other combination by flipping? No other combination, sir. I am not able to get any other combination. Alright. Check this out. Next one. Next one. Pay full attention बच्चों, सब full attention देंगे. बड़ा ही अच्छा सवाल है. बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है. I'm getting different answers. Okay. We will talk about that in a minute. So now one possibility is AB. ऐसे लिखता हूँ, थोड़ा गलत तरीके से लिख दिया मैंने. One second. Let me find an eraser. हाँ जी. All right. So one possibility could be like this. B लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे. B A B A. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ. Can I flip it? Can I flip it? Yes, I can. Another compound possibility I can get. C C A B. Here what is there? B A. बेटा can I flip it again? देखो right now in this structure C के सामने A, C के सामने A. Now what in this structure what I am getting? C के सामने B, C के सामने A. Can I get something else? Yes, if I flip these two compounds, if I flip it again, how many compounds I will get? If I do the last part, C, C, this will become A, B, correct? Last flipping will give you A here and B here. So can you visualize? C के सामने B, C के सामने B, correct? Yes or no? This one is having no plane of symmetry, no plane of symmetry, no plane of symmetry. As you can notice, you can never cut these compounds into equal halves. You can never cut these compounds into equal halves. Boys and girls, we are close. So 2 plus 3 into 2. Total kitna answer aa gaya beta? This is a JE problem which was there. What is the correct answer now? 8. This is the total stereoisomers. If I ask you total stereo, it was 8. Total GI. In advance, they asked GI only. I had added one more flavor to it. The answer was 5. For total GI, answer was 5. And for stereo, answer was 8. How cool is that? We have learned one step ahead. ठीक है, हमने एक step आगे पढ़ लिया है. I hope you understood. सबको समझ आया? Clear हुआ बेटा? Yes. So boys and girls, if you are liking the way we are doing things here, I am very delighted to tell you that we have this subscription program for you guys for entire 11th as well as for 12th standard. I take up 12th here, so I'll give you an example for 12th standard. Beta, if you are in 12th standard, you want live classes, you are planning for JEE 2021. Boys and girls, we are giving you live classes, doubt sessions are there, leaderboards are there, quizzes are there, questions on JEE level, previous year questions are there. Then you are also having your, previous year tests, and we are going to give you more and more tests with proper analysis. Every test there would be analysis done on it. Okay? So as a result, you can improve. And right now, what is important? Live interaction with the teacher. You will get your time to discuss your doubts, to solve your doubts. And even in the session, like you're asking me questions, giving me replies, this is only possible in a live session. Live sessions we are providing. We'll make sure that you learn. Quizzes है, leaderboard है, हर चीज है बेटा, है ना, हर चीज है यहाँ पर. तो point is, you can also choose for the the language you want to learn. For example, you want everything to be written in English and the content to be delivered in English also, or you want the content in English but to be delivered in Hindi. We have both the languages, we have both the options. Then you are getting assignments, study material, you are getting questions, previous year questions, our study material, as well as previous year question papers you are getting. The point is, you are getting ample of questions from us. You're going to get everything. Need not to buy many books, need not to go for third party ki sir, I want some other institute I want to go for. No need. With this particular subscription, you are happy. We will make sure that you reach your goal of JEE very easily. So for that, boys and girls, if you're interested, this was of 7,000 rupees, but today if you will use my coupon code, that is HMPRO, right? आज भी और कुछ time बाद भी it is applicable. It's the link is in the description box. Use my coupon code. Click on the link. Go to the website. Use my coupon code. You will get a heavy discount. This will be available just by paying 6,000 rupees. This course was of 7,000 rupees. But if you use my coupon code, that is HMPRO, you'll get a heavy discount. I'm not, shoving this in your face. I'm just saying it. If you're serious for JEE 2021 or 22, right? If you're in 11th standard, we have subscription for both of you, right? For both the students, for both types of student. Go for it. Okay, COVID is out there. We should not waste our time. Study at your home, at your own comfort. Stay safe, stay indoors. Okay, that's the point I am trying to convey. It's up to you. Okay, आपकी मर्जी है. मैं बस यही बोलूंगा. ठीक है. All right. And yes, we are on Telegram. You can also join our channel, Vedantu JEE channel on Telegram. Link is in the bio. Similarly, if you have loved the video, boys and girls, do let me know. Please like, share and subscribe. I have given out some amazing tricks which will help you out for your coming years, right? You will be solving optical isomerism within seconds. I hope you have liked the session. If you have loved it, do let me know. Show me some love in the chat box as well, in the comment box as well. Do share and do like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a beautiful day. God bless you. Bye bye.